The University of Texas's Hot Science Cool Talks showcases some of the cool work being done at the university's science labs. Joining us today is Dr. Caitlin Casey to talk to us about the James Webb Space Telescope and some of the new things it has found in the universe. So, Caitlin, how exactly does the James Webb Space Telescope look back in time?
We are a very unique science in astronomy that we can literally look into the past. And the way we do that is because of the property of light itself. The speed of light is finite. Light travels very, very fast. So we perceive it on Earth to be instantaneous. We turn on a light, we see that go on immediately. But light from very distant objects takes a long time to reach us. The sun, it's about 8 minutes. The nearest star outside of our own solar system takes about 4 years to reach us. But the most distant objects in the cosmos, because the cosmos is so vast and so big, that light takes not just, years to reach us, millions of years, it takes billions of years. And so we can actually look back towards the beginning of time with all telescopes, but JWST, because it's so sensitive, we can see the earliest times in cosmic history.
So, what sort of discoveries have we made with JWST in the more than a year now that it's been active?
JWST has given us these surprises. For example, we're finding very mature galaxies and very large black holes within the first billion years of cosmic history that we don't know how to form so quickly after the Big Bang. The Big Bang is supposed to mark the beginning of time. And after that, you have a set kind of time scale, or so we think, to the buildup of how stars are born and planetary systems. But we're seeing these galaxies, these collections of hundreds of billions of stars that are in place and mature within just a couple 100 million years after the Big Bang, which cosmically speaking is like a drop in the bucket. It's as if Rome were built in a day. The talk is on March 22nd, and it's on UT campus. It's at 7 p.m. In Welsh Hall, and really excited to have a crowd come and look at these beautiful images from JWST.